How wonderful to get about with wings on your feet. The Vespa licensed GTS Mini 6-volt battery electric motorbike is one of the most iconic motorbikes we sell here at RiiRoo. With its stunning looks and attention to detail, this is perfect for those kids looking to ride around on their own little piece of history. It's suitable for children of up to 4 years of age or up to 102 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Realistic multi-spoke rims. Just look at the attention to detail of the brake discs. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Removable safety stabilizers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with two wheels. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.